and welcome to this new tutorial of the series Data Mining Concepts and Techniques. And today you are watching very important concept, that is web mining, an introduction to web mining in detail. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for latest updates. What is web mining? Over the last few years, the World Wide Web has become a significant source of information and simultaneously a popular platform for business. Web mining can define as the method of utilizing data mining techniques and algorithms to extract useful information directly from the web, such as web documents and web services, hyperlinks, web content, and server logs. The World Wide Web contains a large amount of data that provides a rich source to data mining. The objective of web mining is to look for patterns in web data by collecting and examining data in order to gain insights. Web mining can widely be seen as the application of adapted data mining techniques to the web, whereas data mining is defined as the application of algorithm to discover patterns on mostly structured data embedded into a knowledge discovery process. Web mining has a distinctive property to provide a set of various data types. The web mining or the web has multiple aspects that yield different approaches for the mining process, such as web pages consist of text, web pages are linked via hyperlinks, and user activity can be monitored via web server. These three features led to the differentiation between the three areas are web content mining, web structured mining, and web usage mining. So the web mining, we can say in simple words, the web mining is the use of data mining techniques to extract knowledge from web data. And that web data includes web documents, hyperlinks between documents, usage logs of website. The WWW is huge, widely distributed global information service and therefore constitutes a rich source for data mining. Then what is exactly the web data mining process? You know what is data mining, but now we will see what is web data mining process. The web data mining has a source data collection which yield the data pre-processing, and then the pre-processing task output is given to the pattern discovery, and then the pattern analysis will be done. So this is the web data mining process in general. What is or how we can differentiate data mining versus web mining? In data mining, it is the concept of identifying a significant pattern from the data that gives a better outcome. So in data mining, the important concept is to identify a significant pattern. And in web mining, it is the process of performing data mining in the web, extracting the web documents and discovering the patterns from it. So the data mining application is did in the web mining, that is the process of performing data mining in the web. What it means? It means the extracting the web documents and discovering the patterns from that web documents. Then what are the issues in web data mining? The web data sets can be very large. This is the first issue, because day by day the huge data is generated on the internet, that is the on WWW, that is the web data sets are very large, that is to tens to hundreds of terabytes. The second issue is cannot mine on a single server. As the data is very large, we cannot mine that data on a single server. So we require or we need large farms of servers. Then the third issue is proper organization of hardware and software to mine multi-terabyte data sets. So for that, or for the large number of servers, we need a hardware and proper software to mine that huge data. The fourth issue is difficulty in finding relevant information. How to analyze that data? This is the next issue. And the last issue is extracting new knowledge from the web. So how to extract the useful knowledge or new knowledge from the web? That is the last issue in web data mining. So web mining taxonomy. Here is the overall look or feel of the web mining. So web mining is divided into three types basically: web content mining, web structure mining, web usage mining. Okay, these are the three types. And in that three type, that is in web content mining, there are three subtypes: web page content, search page content, and result page content. In web structure mining, there are three subtypes, that is link structure, internal structure mining, and URL mining. And in web usage mining, there are three types: pre-processing, pattern discovery, and pattern analysis. So this is the whole web mining taxonomy. So thank you for watching this useful video of introduction to web mining. Like, comment, and share this video to your friends. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Jai Hind.